it's the next day. It got way too hot out yesterday to keep going. 90 degrees, no wind, air was super stagnant, super humid. I just ran out of steam. So we're gonna finish this guy up. Really excited to see the limb figure right there, the crotch figure all the way through here. If we're lucky, we're gonna have some curling right through here and maybe up in there. I hope we're lucky. We'll see what happens. Guys, we're gonna get into some good wood. Looks nice. So steel MS 881 is what I'll be using for this log. I'm gonna turn the camera off, adjust it to cut 2 1/4 inch thick slabs, and then I'll turn the camera back on and we'll keep on cutting. Not too bad. 4 slabs that were 2 1/4 inches thick. Wish I would have gotten 5 out of it. I would have, but my first cut, I wanted to be perfect. It was off by like 1/16 of an inch. So the slab that's covered in sawdust over there is very close to 2 inches thick, probably 1 3/4 inches thick. And then I got this slab right here, 2 1/4 inches thick. These two right here, super hard to see because of the sun. I'll water pop them in the shade. And then this guy right here. So definitely got some good stuff. I don't think my video recording was great right there, but stay tuned for the water pop. Please like, please subscribe to my channel. A lot of really great videos on the way. A lot of great videos posted. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you guys next time.